how to add a sticker on Instagram. First, you go on your plus icon section on your profile icon, then go for story selection on the third side, select whatever you want simply to get to your point selection. For example, you can take photo right now just simply to show you how it looks like. And as you get with that simple stuff, you're gonna simply get the right option, or you're gonna tap on the sticker site on the second selection right here, and you can find out all these selections on which you can simply get that option, or go for add yours, go right there, and yeah, right now you can take that selection on. You can, for example, take your favorite food and simply go done, and you can take that selection on your side. When you're ready, simply you're gonna, you can resize it if you want, and then you can go tap to your story.